Hey, I wanna drive the Zamboni. Hey, I wanna drive the Zamboni. Yes, I do.
All right, tell me what you got real quick.
Out of breath, that's what I got.
Huh?
Oh, we got this little 840 right here. Shot her with 270. I'm having issues with my bullets. I don't know why they're not exploding and not doing the job. Shot him, he ran probably, I don't know, maybe 30 yards and dropped. That was about it.
All right.
Well, you can.
Yeah, I got. Yeah, you can
that's
see
the
it.
exit hole right there. Them Federals are not exploding, and expanding like they're supposed to. I don't know what's the deal with them.
Entry was over here. That's the entry. Crossed it.
That's where
Basically,
it came out.
Came out little bitty hole.
You broke down on the road. Maybe a belt or a hose, I wouldn't know. I see you sunk, but I'm not torn. I'll give you 2 friendly beeps on that horn. You look up as I wave you, and you wave back, and then I whip my middle finger out for the attack. Now you're mad, and you're confused. You got the super sucker drive-by blues. I see you waiting for the bus.